In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to n8n and enable triggers. By the end, you'll have a Slack app talking to your n8n workflow, with real-time events flowing through a webhook. First, we'll create a Slack app. Head to the Slack API dashboard and create a new app for your workspace. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. This app will provide the bot token that n8n needs to authenticate with Slack. Next, set up the bot token and permissions. In your app settings, go to the OAuth and permissions section and add the bot token scopes your workflow requires. Choose only what you need. For example, if your automation posts messages, you'll need a scope that allows sending messages. If it reads channel activity, you'll need the appropriate read scopes. After adding the scopes, install the app to your workspace. Installation generates the bot token. Keep this token secure. It's essentially the key that lets n8n act as your bot. Now let's connect Slack to n8n. Open n8n, go to Credentials, and create a new Slack credential. Paste the bot token into the token field and save. From this point on, any Slack nodes in your workflows can use that credential to talk to Slack's API. To enable real-time triggers, we'll use Slack's Events API with an n8n webhook. First, confirm your app has the necessary bot token scope specifically for events you plan to subscribe to. Then, in the Slack app settings, turn on event subscriptions. Slack will ask for a request URL. This should be your n8n webhook URL, typically provided by the Slack trigger node in your workflow. When you paste the URL, Slack will try to verify it. Make sure your n8n instance is reachable from the internet so Slack can complete the verification. After the URL is verified, select the event types you want your bot to receive, such as message events or reactions, depending on your use case. Save your changes. If you adjusted scopes or events after installation, revisit the OAuth and permissions page to reinstall the app so Slack updates the permissions in your workspace. That's the full setup. A Slack app with a bot token, a saved Slack credential in n8n, and event subscriptions pointing to your n8n webhook. Keep your token private, limit scopes to only what you need, and ensure your webhook stays accessible so events arrive reliably. With this in place, you can build automations that post messages, listen to conversations, and trigger powerful workflows inside n8n.